Hey guys, this is Sergey from iLike Windows. I'm here third days already in a row in Belarus. I'm here for some business ideas, and today we got extremely crazy idea that's born in our minds. I'll come back and explain you everything, because basically I'm doing over here everything just for you, for my clients, builders, and for our guys, for our team that's still there in Philly. We've been yesterday on crazy manufacture of aluminum windows, which is maybe 30 times more bigger than our place in Philly, which is you familiar with. And so what I can say, crazy busy, a lot of information, a lot of nice stuff. We'll try to make it for our market, and I hope this is gonna be, I'm excited. So in several days we're leaving for China, which is this is announcement. This is like preview all our business trip. I would like to tell you that just keep watching us, and please, the comments is the like ridiculously important stuff that we would like to see. Next video is gonna be from China. We'll do a lot of videos from this place because we're here 3 days, so we'll be posting at least every week, maybe twice a week, because it's busy everything, and a lot of interesting things. And again, welcome to this beautiful country which is called Belarus, and see you next time.